In this video, we will introduce the prep for Confluent Certified Administrator for Apache Kafka, CCAAK, exam. Introduction to CCAAK. Master Key Exam Objectives. Preparation tips for exam success. 1. Which statements are correct about partitions? Choose 2. A. A partition in Kafka will be represented by a single segment on a disk. B. A partition is comprised of one or more segments on a disk. C. All partition segments reside in a single directory on a broker disk. D. A partition size is determined after the largest segment on a disk. 2. By default, what do Kafka broker network connections have? A. No encryption, no authentication and no authorization. B. Encryption, but no authentication or authorization. C. No encryption, no authorization, but have authentication. D. Encryption and authentication, but no authorization. 3. Which technology can be used to perform event stream processing? Choose 2. A. Confluent Schema Registry. B. Apache Kafka Streams. C. Confluent KSQLDB. D. Confluent Replicator. 4. How does Kafka guarantee message integrity after a message is written on a disk? A. A message can be edited by the producer, producing to the message offset. B. A message cannot be altered once it has been written. C. A message can be grouped with message sharing the same key to improve read performance. D. Only message metadata can be altered using command line, CLI, tools. 5. A broker in the Kafka cluster is currently acting as the controller. Which statement is correct? A. It can have topic partitions. B. It is given precedence for replication to and from replica followers. C. All consumers are allowed to fetch messages only from this server. D. It is responsible for sending leader information to all producers. 6. Which use cases would benefit most from continuous event stream processing? Choose 3. A. Fraud detection. B. Context-aware product recommendations for e-commerce. C. End-of-day financial settlement processing. D. Log monitoring, application fault detection. E. Historical dashboards. 7. A Kafka administrator notices that their consumers of topic X are starting to fall behind. The administrator sees that topic X has 4 partitions, and the consumer group has 2 consumers. Which change can increase the performance of the consumer group? A. Increase the partitions in topic X. B. Create a new consumer group for topic X containing 2 consumers. C. Decrease the consumer acknowledgement property to increase throughput. D. Increase the number of consumers in the consumer group. 8. You have an existing topic T1 that you want to delete because there are no more producers writing to it or consumers reading from it. What is the recommended way to delete the topic? A. If topic deletion is enabled on the brokers, delete the topic using Kafka command line tools. B. The consumer should send a message with a null key. C. Delete the log files and their corresponding index files from the leader broker. D. Delete the offsets for that topic from the consumer offsets topic. 9. A company has an existing Kafka cluster running without SSL, TLS enabled. The customer wants to enable SSL on brokers to secure data in transit, but they would like to give applications connecting to this cluster some time to migrate to using SSL connection instead of putting a hard stop. Which solution will meet the customer's requirements? A. Enable SSL on the current listener, and do not enable MTLS. B. Modify the advertised listener's setting on brokers to use SSL. C. Create a new listener with SSL enabled. D. Enable SSL on the current listener, and do not implement SSL on application side. 10. What is the primary purpose of Kafka quotas? A. Throttle clients to prevent them from monopolizing broker resources. B. Guarantee faster response times for some clients. C. Limit the number of clients that can connect to the Kafka cluster. D. Limit the total number of partitions in the Kafka cluster. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.